I don't know how to say it's English. I have brought a friend along to help me with my English. This is Mohammed Noor, a good friend of me. I am sorry that... That is very good. Congratulations. My name is... This is Mr. This is Miss. I am pleased to meet you.